If you're a learner driver, some roundabouts are just plain difficult, and this one would definitely fit into that category. There's no traffic light to help you out, even though every other junction has one, so you're left waiting for your gap and hoping that one comes soon. And if you're turning right, you've got to cross 4 lanes, which adds a bit of spice to the situation. Gaps do come, but you've got to be ready for them. If you do miss an opportunity, don't panic. I'm sure the vehicles behind won't mind at all. They might give you a friendly beep just to let you know they're there. But whatever you do, don't feel like you're being pushed around. But all good things come to those that are patient. And if you wait long enough, the perfect opportunity will present itself. And then all will be right in the world, and all that fussing will just come to nothing. And just be thankful that you'll soon be able to wipe that little dribble of pee that came out as you sat waiting for your gap.